Oh hey, it's Brittany again, but oh wait, have you noticed that I'm like totally pretty and everything, and like check out my flowing gown and my sexy gown, and whoa, a football. And well, you know all those guys that wanted to go out with me and that dog that I was dating, well, we broke up because of an argument, and oh crap, here he comes!
My beautiful gal, my pretty gal.
And there he goes again. Oh no, it's that And anyway, any other dog, or I mean human, that wants to go out with me can today, because I'm not taken. So bye, and I gotta run! Ah!
My beautiful gal.
I'm naked!
I believe in magic.